Nakakain na ba kayo ng mini sushi bake?
Nope, I don't.
Ay, ng sushi bake? Hindi pa. Ako din hindi pa eh.
Never in my life.
Okay.
So first, we're going to make our rice. The rice vinegar. And mix. Then these ingredients. Are you excited to taste this?
Yeah. And then the salmon? Or is it?
Okay, so what are you doing?
So I'm mixing in the rice.
Yes.
With what?
With the rice vinegar and salt and sugar.
Nalagay mo na?
Yep.
Okay. So,
She's gonna put
And then after, I'm gonna put this in there.
okay.
in this one.
Anong smell, Patty?
Smells
Like vinegar.
smells really crazy.
Yep.
So we got this rice wine vinegar from the Asian shop. Or I think Woolworths or Kohl's. Hindi ko na alam. Okay. Okay, so the rice is done.
Yep. And now we're going to put this in the glass container and smush it in.
After that, will I use that?
Yep, do this. Okay.
You're flattening the rice.
Yeah, so it's even. Okay, now we're going to put the burkake.
Like that?
Yep.
Wow.
I
Sprinkle,
love
sprinkle.
burkake. I haven't had it in a while.
I love it too.
Really?
Remember, I've had it before somewhere. You think that's enough?
You can use your chopsticks to spread it.
Really?
Yeah, if you want to.
Yay. Now?
Want me to sprinkle it? Okay, we can add some of this after.
There.
Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is add our toppings. So we have salmon. You can add the crab sticks if you want.
I like salmon.
So after, we're gonna do the crab sticks.
Will I put all of the crab sticks in?
You have clean hands, Patty?
Yeah.
Oh, you can use your hands. Sige.
Put this.
I'm gonna put this in here.
Lagyan mo
What
lang.
does it feel like?
Funny.
Crab sticks. I want to feel. Okay, the next thing we're going to do.
Just one more.
Put more.
Yeah, more toppings.
I think I like
The more toppings, the better, I think.
and the yummier.
It'll have the more flavor. Okay, now we're going to put more burkake.
I like doing that.
Wanna try?
Okay.
I think we need more.
Think enough.
So the last thing we're going to add is spicy mayonnaise. I'm only going to put it in half of the sushi bake because,
I don't like spicy.
yeah, but I do. Okay. So.
Wow.
Okay.
Looks
That's
like
the
mustard.
finishing touch.
It looks like mustard.
Ano yata yun eh? Wasabi.
7.
I don't like wasabi.
Na-try mo na ba yung wasabi mix with sushi?
I mean,
I don't think so, but it looks spicy.
Okay, so now we're gonna put it in the... Let's just use the air fryer. Kasi maliit lang naman yan eh. For siguro about 10 minutes. We'll bake it in the air fryer for 10 minutes and then we'll taste it!
So here it is before we air fry it.
Taste This time.
Hey. So
Okay, so we're going to...
Ay, mainit pala yan, ha?
Yeah.
Careful ka.
really hot.
So we baked it in the air fryer for
10 minutes?
8 minutes at 160.
Okay.
Maliit
and
lang kasi siya eh. So, sandali lang.
And the nori is yummy, actually.
So,
Let's
Nix
try.
will now cut it.
Yeah, I'll just put here.
Yoo-hoo.
And the crab sticks you can try. And a bit of nori in here.
Looks yummy.
Okay. Nix,
Okay.
your turn.
I'm gonna try
Salmon.
mine.
How you like rolling? Sige.
Excited. Good?
Tasty.
How's the crab sticks?
So yummy.
Okay. Give it a go.
Yung kay Nix may wasabi.
Okay. I'm actually gonna roll this. Okay, this
Nix will try hers with wasabi. Mayo.
that's good.
So yummy. I love the crab sticks.
The crab sticks are good. I don't taste the mayonnaise yet.
I want more.
Is it good?
I want more.
Anong rating niya?
Out of
Out of 10.
10.
9.5.
999. Now more.
Yummy.
Okay, close yun na yung vlog. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Hey, thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.
Shout out niyo.
Food and crab.
Shout out to Poos and Vlogs.
Hi, Elle. We miss you, Elle.
I want more.